Hello, this is Somrita. I'm the Recruitment Program Manager of Talent Shore. Today I'm here to talk about the nursing program for Germany, and I'm going to brief you about the elaborate process, like when the candidate will get job, at what level. Immediately after candidates start with A1, when he or she is done with the A1 lesson, he or she will be sitting for their A1 exam. After clearing A1 exam, he or she will be upgraded to the next level of German language, which is A2. After A2, there will be an exam, and immediately after A2, we will start with the employer process, or more specifically, we can say we would be conducting the placement, the hospital placement. After A2, the candidate will be having a contract from the German government, but the candidate will be in India. After B1, and most importantly after B2, as soon as the candidate completes B2, we would be applying for the visa, and as soon as we receive visa from German government, then the candidate will be deployed to Germany, or rather the candidate will be transferred to Germany. Now, what happened when the candidate land up in Germany? The moment the candidate land up in Germany, he or she would be a training, and the training would be for 10 weeks or for 2.5 months. After 10 weeks or after 2.5 months, there would be an exam which is called equivalency exam. And the equivalency exam is very important because after clearance of the equivalency exam, the candidate will be getting his or her registration number, more specifically German registration number. And the German registration number is very important because in Germany, if you want to be recognized as the full-time working German nurse, you have to get a registration number. And after registration number, you can sponsor your family, you can sponsor your child, you can sponsor your parent. So technically, yes, the day you will be traveling to Germany, you have to travel alone. So yes, you can sponsor your family after you have successfully, complete your training period, and after successfully you have cleared your equivalency exam in Germany. Now the next question which should come in everybody's mind is that what is this equivalency exam all about? What is the language? Will there be a clinical or what kind of exam it is? It's a new terminology for everybody, correct? So yes, the equivalency exam will be on German language, and it would be purely on your qualification, on your work experience. So this is the elaborate way how you can apply with our program, what we do after we have received your CV, what is the process. So to know more about the job and about the program, please send us your CV or your resume to the email ID which is recruitment@talentshore.io. Thank you.